Have you ever wondered whether a small Netherlands 5 euro-cent coin from 1999 could be worth more to collectors than its original face value? Today we are taking a close look at the Netherlands 5 euro-cent 1999 coin, a fascinating early Euro-era issue connected with Queen Beatrix and the Netherlands' transition toward the euro currency. This coin is especially interesting because 1999 was one of the first years of euro coin production, even though euro banknotes and coins did not enter everyday circulation until 2002. The 5 euro-cent features the portrait of Queen Beatrix on the obverse, facing left, surrounded by 12 stars, with the inscription Beatrix Koningin der Nederlanden. The reverse carries the standard European 5 euro-cent design, showing a globe with Europe prominently represented, along with the denomination 5 euro-cent. The coin is made of copper-plated steel, has a diameter of about 21.25 millimeters, a thickness of approximately 1.67 millimeters, weighs around 3.92 grams. One of the most important things collectors should understand about the 1999 Netherlands 5 euro-cent is its production. Around 213 million circulation pieces were produced, with additional coins made for BU sets and proof sets. That large circulation mintage means the ordinary 1999 coin is not considered an extremely rare coin simply because of its year. However, rarity and value can change significantly depending on condition, quality, and belongs to a collector set. Numista currently lists the ordinary 1999 circulation issue at relatively modest values, while the BU and proof versions can command higher prices. Now let us focus on the very fine or VF condition mentioned for this video. A very fine coin should still have clear major design details, readable lettering, and recognizable features, although it will show noticeable signs of circulation. Collectors normally pay close attention to the portrait, stars, lettering, globe, denomination, and the overall condition of the surfaces. Heavy scratches, corrosion, dents, cleaning marks, or unusual damage can reduce collector interest, while an attractive original surface can make a circulated coin more appealing. For the 1999 Netherlands 5 euro-cent, one current collector value source gives an estimated VF value of about 38 cents, with values varying. Another important point is that online coin values should always be treated as estimates rather than guaranteed selling prices. A catalog value does not automatically mean that every owner can sell the coin for exactly that amount. Actual prices can depend on the buyer, marketplace, authentication, eye-appeal, rarity of a particular variety, and whether the coin is being sold individually or as part of a collection. For an ordinary circulated 1999 Netherlands very fine condition, a realistic collector market estimate is therefore generally only a small amount above face value, rather than hundreds or thousands of dollars. The coin becomes more interesting if you discover a genuine error, an unusual variety, a scarce presentation, or a high-grade example with exceptional preservation. The proof version is a separate collector issue and should not be confused with an ordinary circulation coin. Numista records 16,500 proof examples for 1999 and gives a higher estimated value for that special issue. The history behind this little coin is also what makes it special. In 1999, the euro was already being used as an accounting and financial currency, but ordinarily using the Dutch guilder in their daily cash transactions. Euro coins were prepared before their physical introduction, creating a fascinating connection between the old national currency era and the beginning of the euro age. Queen Beatrix appears on the first Netherlands euro coin designs, making these early pieces especially interesting for collectors who study modern European monetary history. The mintmark and mintmaster symbol can also help identify the exact Dutch issue, and collectors often examine these small details carefully when comparing coins from the same year. The Netherlands 5 euro-cent is therefore more than just a tiny denomination. It represents an important moment in European history when national currencies were moving toward a shared monetary system. Take a close look at both sides under good lighting. Check the date, Queen Beatrix portrait, stars, lettering, denomination, surface condition, and any unusual marks that might deserve further research. Avoid assuming that every unusual-looking mark is a mint error, because damage that happened after the coin left the mint can sometimes look unusual but does not necessarily add value. The strongest value usually comes from genuine mint-made varieties, exceptional grades, or special issues supported by reliable references. For a normal Netherlands 5 € dated 1999 in very fine condition, the available market estimates suggest a value around a few tens of cents, with one current estimate placing VF around $70. Some catalog listings can show different numbers because grading systems, market conditions, and valuation methods vary. That is why collectors should compare several references and, whenever a coin appears unusual, experienced numismatic opinion before making a claim about its rarity. So, is the Netherlands 5 € 1999 a rare coin worth a fortune? For the ordinary circulated issue, the answer is generally no, because its large mintage means it is not an extremely scarce circulation coin. But it remains an interesting collectible because it belongs to the earliest generation of Dutch euro coins and carries the historic portrait of Queen Beatrix, a beautiful high-grade example. Proof coin, a BUSET example, or a genuine mint error can be much more interesting than an ordinary circulated specimen. The key lesson is that the date alone does not determine a coin's value. Condition, variety, authenticity, mintage, and collector demand all matter. If you have a Netherlands 5 € from 1999 sitting in an old coin box, do not throw it away simply because it is a small denomination. Examine it carefully. Compare its condition with established grading standards, and remember that even an inexpensive coin can be historically fascinating and worthwhile to collect. The estimated value for a normal very fine example today is around 38 cents according to one current catalog-based market source.